Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix this multiple application open but or PC lag or hang. Okay, I am going to show you close this only one click open task manager, and now you see here multiple application are open. There is option to right click and end task. This is lengthy step. Okay, now I am going to show you simple step. Close this task manager, click on start and click on setting. Now click on system, scroll down, click on advanced. Now you see here task bar and task. Okay, there is the option for now you see enable and task in taskbar by right click. Okay, now on this option close. Now you right click on taskbar. Now you check here and task option shown. Click on and task. Application will be closed. Okay, this simple step to close application only one click. Okay, you don't want and task on right click, click on start, then click on setting, then click on system, scroll down, click on advanced. Now click on this option of this setting. Now check here, right click. Now you see there is an option to end task. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.